go. Close the freeway. Let's see. Okay. Holy heck, dude. It's underwater. Wow. This is the 5 freeway. This is the reason. Look at that. What the heck? Where's the draining? Oh. Wow. That is incredible. Dude, I should have brought my boat. How good is this video if I bring a RC boat and do circles around the car? I could even jump it. Wow. That's amazing. It goes all the way down. Dude, that's crazy. Look at that. It's a river. It's the LA River on the 5. Yep. Oh, there's another one. Hi. Oh, there's more cars. Oh, man. Wow, man. That is serious. Oh, there's another one over there. I see it. Another car over there. That's underwater. Well, it'd be cool to have a boat out there.